When did you get your diploma again?
2023, ma'am.
When?
Ish, ma'am, I can't remember the exact date. I'll have to check. But I can't remember the exact
Not
date.
possible. It is not. Ndate, what is your name?
It's Bongani Longolo, ma'am.
Babilong.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not possible that one, you do not know when you got a diploma, or now busting as an academic, even worse.
I know
Number two, it is not possible that you do not know when you were appointed in the position that you're serving in. That's not possible.
That's why I'm saying, ma'am, in 2023, but I can't remember the exact date. But I can be able to check that and provide the correct.
Okay, in your understanding, did you have, when you occupied the position, did you have your diploma?
No, ma'am.
You did
when
not?
I started, no.
You did not?
Yes.
Who appointed you?
I was appointed by the former principal to act in an interim while there was. Yes, ma'am.
And when you were appointed, was it your understanding that the position that you were being appointed to required you to have the diploma that you didn't have at the time of taking that office?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you were appointed, were you earning the full salary scale of your position?
No, it was an acting, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So you were not earning a salary that was specific to the acting, you were earning a salary anyway?
Yes, I was earning as the appointment as a senior HR practitioner.
As a?
Senior HR practitioner.
Senior HR practitioner, yona di qualifications are teng di hloka tse hlokuwang ke difeng?
It's a diploma in HRM.
And you didn't have that one too?
Yeah.
So you were acting, you were permanently appointed in a position without the necessary qualifications, earning a salary for that position, and then acted in a senior position to the one you were permanently appointed to, acted without the requisite qualifications. Is my understanding correct?
Okay. When I was appointed as a senior HR practitioner, at that time I was having a diploma in administration.
Ndate, akere kwa nantsang karaba?
Yes, ma'am.
You were the one who told me that the prerequisite qualification is the diploma ya HR akere.
Correct, ma'am.
So what are you answering? I'm asking you based on your own submissions of what you needed as qualification for the position you were occupied for, you were appointed at, and earning a salary for.
Yes.
So I resubmit. Am I correct in my assessment that in the position you did not have the necessary qualification required?
Yes, correct, ma'am.
For how long were you employed in that position? Do you remember that at least? Or was it years?
It's years, ma'am.
So for years that you cannot recall or count how many there are, you were employed in this institution in a position without the necessary qualifications, earning a salary. After that, you were promoted to a higher office, still without the qualifications. Principal, I have a problem. When I see now I don't have time again, Chair, because there's a pattern of leadership decisions that are taken in your institutions that are wrong. It cannot be that the staff must have morale or aspire to one day holding better offices than the offices that they currently hold. If this is the reality of your HR manager, the custodian of human resources, actually, and even he did not follow the rules. So, were you aware of this? When how feel?
No, I'm not aware.
You're hearing it for the first time in this room.
Yes, I'm not aware. I was a campus manager here, but I don't know how the processes were happening at central office.
So you're saying again, for the record,
yes,
in front of the entire institution and the Republic of South Africa,
yes,
that you are hearing for the first time today in this room this conversation. You had zero clue, you did not know.
on the acting one, yes, we knew at the time that was acting. That's the qualification. He was still in progress with it. He was still studying for HR diploma. But the initial qualification, I didn't know what he had in his hand in terms of the previous posts.
Do you take an undertaking as the head of this institution right now that you will conduct an investigation and get to the bottom of his and other people's employment processes and present that to the committee before the end of October?
Yes, noted, madam.
Thank you.
I can do that. Thank you.
Yeah.